Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you want to know the secret to luminous skin? It's using a product that does more than just sit on your skin. It does more than just mask over the issues that you're having. And that's one reason that I love using this gold serum from Alitura. For one thing, it actually helps to improve your skin. I've noticed that with consistent use, my skin is looking so radiant. In fact, I don't even feel the need to wear foundation anymore because my skin is looking so healthy and so nourished. And that's thanks to what's in the serum. Things like CoQ10, copper tripeptides, among other things. And even the way that this is packaged, see how dark the bottle is? That means that it's really protecting the ingredients in it without having to add preservatives to it. This has a really nice scent to it. It's very earthy, very woody. So I use like 3 to 4 pumps in my hand. I rub them together to warm this up, and then I gently press it into my skin, not just on my face, but also areas that I have sun damage. So I press it into my neck, my décolletage, and the tops of my hands because those are areas that really show age. As a woman in my mid-40s, I feel that this has really helped my skin to improve and look more radiant with consistent use. I'm so pleased with the results that I've seen from using this serum, and I think that you will be too, but that's just my point of view.